Assalamu alaikum. Topic: Revision of sounds A to G. Resources required: flashcards. Summary of the lesson: students will be able to recognize sounds A to G and its related vocabulary. In the beginning of the lesson, I want to share a good message, which is cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough, because it's a good manner. My lovely children, today we will do revision of sounds A to G. Okay children, do you remember which sound is this? A. A. A apple. A arrow. A ant. A aeroplane. After A, which sound comes? Yes, B. 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 Ball. B. Butterfly. B. Bus. B. Bat. Children, now tell me which sound is this? K. K. Carrot. Coat. Coconut. Cat. And after K, which sound comes? D. Yes, you are right. D. D. Doll. D. Dolphin. D. Dog. D. Donut. Children, do you remember which sound is this? Yes. A. 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 Elephant. A. Elbow. A. Egg. A. Envelope. And this is sound F. 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 Fire. F. Fan. F. Frog. F. Fish. And after F, which sound comes? G. 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 Grapes. G. Goat. G. Girl. G. Gate. Children, we are going to do matching activity of sounds with its related vocabulary. These are sound cards, and these are picture cards. Yes, picture cards. And these arrows we will use for matching. Now let's start our activity. Do you remember which sound is this? A. A. A ant. Yes, a ant. Now we will match a ant. Right. A aeroplane. A aeroplane. Does it match? Yes. A aeroplane. A car. Does it match? A car. No. A arrow. A arrow. Does it match? Yes. A arrow. One more time. A ant. A aeroplane. A arrow. This is sound B. 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 Butterfly. B. Butterfly. Now we will match B. butterfly. Right. B, boy. B, boy. Now match B, boy. B, cake. B, cake. Does it match? No. This is wrong. B, boat. B, boat. Now match B, boat. Now repeat with me. B, butterfly. B, boy. B, boat. Now tell me which sound is this? K. 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 Coconut. K. Coconut. Match K. Coconut. K. Crown. K. Crown. Match K. Crown. K. Watermelon. Does it match? No. K. Watermelon. No. K. Carrot. K. Carrot. Now match K. Carrot. Now repeat one more time. K. Coconut. K. Crown. K. Carrot. Do you remember which sound is this? D. 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 Donut. D. Donut. Match D. Donut. D. Duck. D. Duck. Now we will match D. Duck. D. Tomato. Does it match? No. D. Doll. D. Doll. Now match D. Doll. Now repeat with me. D. Donut. D. Duck. D. Doll. Now tell me which sound is this? A. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. Now match elephant. A. Envelope. A. Envelope. Match envelope. A. Girl. Does it match? A. Girl. No. A. Egg. A. Egg. Match egg. Now repeat. A. Elephant. A. Envelope. A. Egg. Which sound is this? F. F. Flower. F. Flower. Match f. Flower. F. Flag. F. Flag. Now match f. Flag. F. Fan. F. Fan. Good. F. Leaf. No, it doesn't match. Now repeat. F. Flower. F. Flag. F. Fan. Which sound is this? G. 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 Gate. Does it match? Yes, G. Gate. Now match G. Gate. G. Grass. G. Grass. Now we will match G. Grass. G. Coin. G. Coin. Does it match? No. G. Goat. G. Goat. Now match G. Goat. Now repeat one more time. G. Gate. G. Grass. G. Goat. Very good, children. I hope you like this activity. In the end of the lesson, I want to share another good message with you. That is, we should eat healthy food every day. You know why? Because if we will eat healthy food, we will not get sick. Thank you.